Hi, Rowan and Cole. I want to read a couple stories to you, okay? The first one I want to read is called Am I Yours? And I see a really big egg there. Looks like there's a lot of dinosaurs around that egg, so maybe it's a dinosaur egg. This is a story that's by an author named Alex Latimer. So let's find out about this story. The title is Am I Yours? And oh my goodness, I see so many dinosaurs here. Wow. I'm wondering if they have my favorite dinosaur. Let's see. Stegosaurus, that's my favorite. I'm not sure what your favorite is. So I'm going to start reading Am I Yours? So there's our egg again. That looks like the cover of the book. It says 200 million years ago, an icy wind began to blow. It blew great clouds from east to west and pushed an egg out of a nest. So I see the egg coming down the mountain. Do you see that? Oh boy, watch out for those volcanoes. So it's coming down the mountain. Wow, the egg rolled gently down a hill, slow at first, then fast, until it bumped a rock and spun around and came to land on level ground. So I see that egg coming down. Ooh, it's coming all the way down the hill, hits a rock, and it's still going. Wow. Okay, I'm going to try to turn this a little bit. All right, so let's see what's going to happen next. Wow, it sat there through the cold, dark night. At last it felt the warm sunlight, and with the light came thumping feet. The egg called out, soft and sweet. Excuse me, please, but am I yours? I'm sure I am a dinosaur's. So I see a lot of feet there, and those are all the feet of dinosaurs. So he's saying, whose egg am I? Wow, first Stegosaurus wandered near and asked the egg loud and clear, what do you look like inside that shell? I can't see in, so I can't tell. Are there spikes along your spine, long and flat and sharp like mine? Oh, those are all the spikes that a Stegosaurus has. Oh, I have no spikes, I'm sad to say, so I'm not yours, but that's okay. So he's going to look for another dinosaur. Maybe he belongs to that next dinosaur. Wow, next Brachiosaurus leaned in low and asked his questions calm and slow. What do you look like inside that shell? I can't see in, so I can't tell. Do you have a longish neck, or is it short? Can you check? Oh, it's very short, this neck of mine, so I'm not yours, but I'll be fine. So here is the egg saying, no, I couldn't possibly be yours. I have a very short neck. Wow, Triceratops came trotting by and spoke to the egg, eye to eye. What do you look like inside that shell? I can't see in, so I can't tell. Do you have horns? 1, 2, and 3? 3 sharp horns, just like me? Oh, I have no horns. I wish I did. So I'm not yours. I'm not your kid. Wow, Corythosaurus ambled past. She stopped and stared, then spoke at last. What do you look like inside that shell? I can't see in, so I can't tell. Is there a crest upon your head, or is it flat and smooth instead? So that crest is right here. Crest. Well, I have no crest. I just checked now, so I'm not yours. Thanks anyhow. So it's not Corythosaurus's egg. Let's see what's going to come next. Wow, Tyrannosaurus came to see and asked the egg quite lovingly, "What do you look like inside that shell? I can't see in, so I can't tell. Do you have a mouth of teeth, sharp on top and down beneath?" "Oh," the egg says, "my teeth are few," the egg replied. "So I'm not yours," it said, and sighed. Well, the sun sank slowly in the sky, and the lonely egg began to cry. "The light of day is fading fast. I'm sure this night will be my last. I can't survive in wind and storm. I'll freeze alone. I must stay warm." So none of those dinosaurs belong to the egg. "Wow, you are not ours. Whose could you be? We wish there was a way to see." But as the sun began to set, it showed a perfect silhouette. Well, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to show this that well, but let's see if I can. Oh, I see a shape in there, so let's see. I gotta turn the page. Oh, a pair of wings, a pointy snout, and two strong legs, both short and stout. "Well, we see you now inside your shell. We know your folks. We know them well." So that does not look like any of the dinosaurs we saw. That looks like a dinosaur with wings. Well, the egg was rolled back up the hill, rolled and nudged and pushed until they reached a soft and sandy mound. They left it where it would be found. So look, they're all pushing it up the mountain to the very top of the mountain, because that's where the egg began, didn't it? So let's see where it's going to go. Well, they came to a thump. Then came the thump of heavy feet. The egg called out so soft and sweet, "One last time, I must be sure. Are you the ones I'm looking for?" It's up to the top. "Oh, we are yours. We're two ecstatic pterosaurs." So they found their egg, and the egg found its home. Wow, and when the night had come and gone, the sky was clear with the light of dawn. There came a tap, a crack, and scratch, and the lucky egg began to hatch. Oh, he's in the right place, and he's hatching to his mom and dad. Oh, what a happy ending to that story. So he found the right parents, didn't he? So that is such a great story. I also wanted to share another book with you, and I know that Cole really likes horses, so that's why I chose this book. I know you like horses too, Rowan, I bet. So I'm going to put this other one up here, and I wanted to share a horse book with you. Now, there are lots of great pictures in here. This is a book that has true facts about horses in it. It's not a story, but it's true facts. But I really like the pictures in it, and I thought Cole and you would like those, Rowan. So let's see if we can read our horse book. And there's the beginning, horse book. It's called Horses, and it's an author named Jared Simons who wrote the book. Horses. In this book, you will learn how they look, what they do, what they eat, and why we keep them, and much more. So look at that tiny little pony there. So let's find out more. Horses. A horse is a big animal. Oops, I gotta too bad. Okay, big animal that lives on a farm. Farmers keep horses to help move people and heavy loads. Texas has more horses than any other state. Wow, I did not know that. A baby horse is called a foal. A foal can stand and walk a few hours after it's born. So they get up almost, right away and walk away. So cute, that mama and her baby. Wow, horses have 4 strong legs. These legs make horses fast and powerful runners. Horses can run more than 40 miles an hour. Wow, that's pretty fast. Most horses grow to be taller than the people who ride them. So you can see the lady over here. I don't know if you can see that. The lady over here that horse is a little bit taller than that lady. So it also says a horse can weigh as much as a small car. Wow, that's a teeny tiny car there. Wow, horses have the biggest eyes of any mammal on land. So they do have large eyes. A horse eye is about the size of a golf ball. Wow, that's really big. So there are some horses' eyes that you can look at. Wow, horses talk to each other by neighing or whinnying. A horse can move each of its ears. I didn't know that. Look at his teeth. Well, this helps it to hear faraway sounds. So you move one ear and then you can move the other. Wow, horses eat grass and other plants. A horse's teeth never stop growing. Wow. Well, a horse has a thick coat of hair around its head and neck. This coat of hair is called a mane. So look at his hair is all on his face there. That's a mane. Horses need to exercise every day to be healthy. Look at all those different colored horses. They like to be outside with other horses. And there are all the pictures that were in the book. So I love that horse book. I hope both Cole and Rowan really love that book. So I wanted to say a special happy birthday to Cole today. And I miss you guys so much. I can't wait to see you, hopefully very soon. All right, I love you guys. Bye-bye.